Hi everyone, this is Saeed Akhtar Khan again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to create a polygon and a multi-polygon feature in QGIS. Polygon and multi-polygons are used to prepare training data for land cover classifications. For instance, if we want to gather training samples for agriculture fields, we have to create polygons. So if it's one sample, we could easily create a single polygon. So in order to create a polygon, we have to first of all create a layer. I already explained the process of creating a shapefile. So polygon is also kind of a shapefile. So there are two ways. You can either go for a temporary scratch layer or a new shapefile. So in this case, I will go for new temporary scratch layer and I say agriculture, yeah. So, and then I have to specify its geometry. So I go for multi-polygon, okay, because I will create this kind of feature. And then we have to select coordinate reference system. I go with this WGS 84, 32,643. Okay, once we click, we have agriculture as our temporary scratch layer. So it has already checked in toggle editing option. So we can add vertices. Okay, so first we need to create a polygon. So I create a polygon of this agriculture field. Okay, so this polygon is created. So what we do if we have to create several other polygons but part of the same shapefile. So that's called multi-polygon. So in order to create that, first we need to select this feature. So we go into the selection tool. You see, that's the selection tool. And you click on this and then you click this. So once it's highlighted like this, it means this feature has been selected. So once this feature is selected, now we add some other polygons to it. So in order to add others, we need to click this option, add part. Okay, so we click this and now we create other shape files. Let's say we want this one. So that's, yeah, now part of this. So we continue. Okay, I want something like this. Yeah, that's the way how to do it. They are very helpful if you are doing land cover classifications and if you have to gather a lot of training samples for each of the classes. Similarly, you could create another temporary layer, for example, for water samples, for ice, or for barren land. So once you have this, you need to export this as a, we say, save feature as. So you need to give it a name and you need to save it. So let's say we call it agriculture. And again, we already have the CRS there. So you just click OK. And this shapefile is saved over here. So even if we now remove the current layer, temporary scratch layer, we have this layer. That's it for today. Please let me know your feedback. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.